In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get animated faces on Roblox, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by going to the marketplace. This is where you can get anything that you would like. Now, you can look on all animations, which are actually going to be emotes, but if you do want different faces, what you're going to do is go to the heads and it will open up all of the hair and faces that you can get from Roblox. Now, you can also search on animated face. Animated, and it might actually just come up like that. Yes, and there will be a lot of different animated faces that you can try on. Now, if I actually wanted to buy one,